Tecno has launched its latest mid-range smartphone under the popular Pova series in India called the Tecno Pova 8, with a distinctive rear panel design that features a customizable Alive matrix display that provides notifications, alerts, and other interactive functions. Now, let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Tecno Pova 8 features a tall 6.76-inch Full HD Plus display with up to 144 Hz refresh rate support. The phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7100 chipset paired with Mali G610MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, this smartphone packs with 6 or 8 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 128 GB of UFS 2.2 storage, with hybrid microSD card slot expansion support. As per the optics, the Tecno Pova 8 sports a 50-megapixel primary camera on the rear, with Sony's LYT600 sensor. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 2K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 13-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center. The device comes equipped by a massive 8,000 mAh battery with 45 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 16 out of the box based on iOS 16 skin on top. Additionally, this smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to maintain phone temperature in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 165.66 by 78.46 by 8.8 millimeters, and it weighs around 225 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Tecno Pova 8 has been priced in India for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 29,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 31,999 Indian rupees. This smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from June 18th in 16-bit white and terminal green color options. So, what do you guys think of this Tecno Pova 8 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.